let's make ice cream. A friend sent me this recipe from TikTok and I was like, yeah, I'll try it. So I got this whipped cream powder and then I got condensed milk. It's not condensed milk, it's actually condensed creamer because there's no atom of milk in this thing. And then I got the vanilla essence or vanilla flavor. I also bought counting milk. That's what it's called, counting milk. I got a cup. The recipe calls for the bowl to be put in the freezer for like 10 minutes. I left mine for like an hour because I had to work. And then you have to put 1 cup of your whipped cream powder. I did 1.5 cup. Yeah, just because, no reason why. And then you're going to pour in 2 cups of milk. And so that's the cup I used. I'd already mixed it here. You can make it really creamy and you have to make the milk cold. So I put this in the freezer as well. Now, when I was done with my work, I came back and I poured the milk into the whipped cream powder. Now, this is where the work is. If you do not have an electric mixer, you have to use your hand rather. And so, yeah, I was doing it. It was so tiring. I was like, just thinking about it now. It was so stressful. But yeah, I kept on doing it. Now, the video that I watched, the lady's mixture at some point became so stiff. But you need to remember that she used an electric mixer. And so, yeah, I did my best. And then I put in my vanilla flavor. I don't know, was this too much? I didn't measure. And then I put in 1 cup of this condensed creamer. Please, you can put half. This was just too much. The mixture is just so sweet. I tried to mix this thing, but my hand was paining me and then I put it in the blender. Huge mistake. Huge mistake. Don't do this. Okay, don't do this. It even made my mixture loose, but that's okay. This is my first time. It's fine. Yeah. So I got this McVitie's dark cream biscuit and then I just used my hand to like break it. I divided my ice cream into two and mixed the broken biscuits in it. And then I just poured it on top of the bigger bowl. And this is how it looks. So this is how it looks like right now. I have popped it in the freezer and we're going to see what it looks like tomorrow. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and all I can say is this turned out perfect. It's delicious, it tastes rich, and I don't think I'm ever going to buy ice cream at the store anymore. Okay, even though this is quite expensive to make, the return on investment, if I could use that phrase, the return on investment is well worth it. The amount of money you'd spend at Cold Stone would be way more. I think I spent like 13K making this, and I still have leftover ingredients, so definitely worth it. It tasted so good, guys. I had this when I came back. The weather was so hot today, and yeah, it did cool me down. So I hope you try it. If you do, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.